12 things women commonly do when they are deeply in love with a man. Number 1. Acts of kindness. Love often inspires women to perform small acts of kindness, like making his favorite meal or leaving sweet notes. Number 2. Physical affection. Women tend to initiate physical contact, such as holding hands, hugging, and cuddling to feel close and connected. Number 3. Laughing together. Shared laughter is a sign of a deep connection, as she finds joy in his company. Number 4. Surprises. They plan surprises to keep the relationship fresh and exciting. Number 5. Remembering details. They remember important dates like anniversaries and birthdays and surprise him with thoughtful gifts. Number 6. Personal sacrifices. They are willing to make sacrifices for his happiness and well-being. Number 7. Future planning. Discussing future plans together, like vacations or life goals, signifies a commitment to a shared future. Number 8. Saying I love you. These three words carry immense weight when spoken by a woman in love, revealing the depth of her feelings. Number 9. Cooking together. Preparing meals together is a bonding experience, showing trust and cooperation. Number 10. Forgiveness. Women forgive and forget minor faults, prioritizing the overall harmony of the relationship. Number 11. Respectful communication. Love fosters open and respectful communication, allowing both partners to express themselves honestly. Number 12. Listening intently. When a woman loves a man, she pays close attention to his words, showing genuine interest in his thoughts and feelings.